Guys, so this time we're
gonna be talking about
a store called the ABC store, which is very famous.
It's really famous because like
every 500 feet you're gonna find one.
Yeah.
So I think there's one right here. So if we already know if you go straight, take a right, there's another ABC store. So every single day you're gonna see someone. So it's everything you could ever want.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Shri and Shiv Plays. In this video, I'm going to show you Hawaii's most famous ABC stores in Kalakua Avenue, which is the heart of Waikiki and main shopping strip. We went to at least 5 or 6 ABC stores, and we are now going to show you what they sell. ABC stores are a little bit expensive, well, because ABC actually stands for anything but cheap, but it has everything you need, whether it is groceries, toys, snacks, chocolates, or tikis. They have it all. It was fun to go and see so many ABC stores in the same street.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to be walking to the next one.
ABC store, which is
Also, just to say, you know, like in our other last featured videos, we have a bird called Spike, and if you put Waikiki and Spike together, you get Spikiki. So that's kind of funny when you say Spikiki because it just reminds you of Spike. That's what I like to say instead of Waikiki. So there's a Spikiki beach right there. So yeah, let's just keep going to the ABC store.
As you can see, we are here at the next ABC store, actually. So, as you can see, it is another 500 feet. We may have had a cut or so. They also have beer. So, as you can see, there are many different tikis here. Like, for example, this one is the Long Life Tiki. This one right here is the this is also a Long Life Tiki. This one is a Lucky Tiki. And this one is a Happiness Tiki. There are also some winter tiki, like winter gods here. These are the ones over here. And also this one is also the god of winter god.
I'll give you my money. Oh, these bags look really nice. They're DIY. You can tell by the quality in this, and it's made of leather, which also holds that quality up in there. There's not a lot of other styles.
Shiba.
Sure.
Guys, now we just came out of the second ABC store, so I'll head into right there. Yeah. And that's a beach. அவன்கிட்ட கேட்க பார்க்கணும்.
The one you like, everything.
I'm going to buy this for wealth, daddy.
Okay.
Check anything interesting. Come on. Look at this.
So quality.
Look at it.
This was so nice.
Are you from Canada?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay. No problem. When you like that, if you don't like the design and don't like the color, look online and see what company they open. You can go over there, you order, they make for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
வேண்டாம்ல
guys, as you can see, we have this lemonade. Guys, this is fresh sugarcane. And this is fresh lemonade. Even got the flour and everything in the fresh ones. I should have put it on. Guys, after
He's going to spill.
Guys, after a while, we are finally, we finally got tired enough. So we're heading back to the hotel. Our hunt for ABC stores, we've come across like, what, 7 today?
A lot of ABC.
So, and it's really hot outside. So we're gonna head back to the hotel, chill, and maybe head to the Waikiki beach after. But for now, we'll just give you a little thing of like what it looks like in the city.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.